Hey guys, hope so you will be fine. This video is dedicated to the topic method, which is very important topic, so learn it with full intention, okay? So what is method? Method is actually wrapped piece of code to which you can call again and again. Okay, it is actually a piece of code. We can call that again and again. We can use that wherever we want in our code. Let me just tell you about this method main. Main is a method. Okay, I have told about this main in another video. Okay, that was like my first or second video. You can go and check that what is main. Okay, so you can know more about other methods. First of all, let me just make another method. Let me create. The simplest way is just to follow the sequence of main. Okay, here I will write public and static. Don't worry about these both of these words. I will tell them both in another video. Okay, that will come later. Okay, public, static, and then void. Void is also, let's just remain it here. I will tell you later on. And now I will name another method. Okay, the name of my method will be like my method. Okay, my method. Let's just do that. And then parenthesis, here we pass argument, but right now as this is introductory video to method, so I'm just keeping them empty. And then here I will write the piece of code which I have to execute again and again. I have to call that again and again, like just write some random lines. Let me write just system dot output like hello guys. Okay, and then let me just copy them and write some more lines. Okay, let's write here like. Okay, and here I'm gonna write share, and here I'm going to write subscribe. Okay, these are the some lines of codes. Okay, I have to use them again and again in my code. So what I would do, I will simply write this name, and then I can use them how much I want. Like simply I will write my method. Now I'm going to call that simple my method. Okay, now in my main I have just written this line, and now I can use all of these. Let me just run it. What will be the output? All of these will be my output. Here I have hello guys, like, share, and subscribe. All of these are my output lines. Okay, and if I have to use these lines again and again, I have to use my methods again. Now I will get these lines 2 times. Okay, here first time hello, like, share, subscribe, and then again hello, like, share, subscribe. Okay, so this piece of code I can use now wherever I want in this main function. Okay, so this is actually method. Now let me just do another method where I will return some type. Here I have told you already, this void means that I'm not returning any type in this function. Now let's just return something. Let's just create a method for sum. Okay, so just simply remove it, and I'm also removing this method, creating another method for sum. Okay, so let's do that again. Public, static, int. Now I am going to return an int value. Okay, int sum. Okay, now parentheses, these parentheses are compulsory, and then now I am going to add 2 values. Int a is equals to 12, and let's just b is equals to 35, and then I am going to do a plus b. Int sum is equals to a plus b. Okay, here's the answer. Now I am going to return this sum, because I don't need this sum here in this function, but I need this sum in main function. I have to print this sum, so I will write here and declare a variable, because I am getting value in int, so I will write a variable in int sum. I can use same variable again, sum, because it's different method. Okay, and sum is sum, and now I will write sum is equals to this function sum. Okay, again parenthesis and done. Okay, now I can print the value of sum in main. Okay, I will use system.out print line and then sum. Okay, done. Now I will get the sum of 12 and 35. Okay, here I got 47. So in this way I can print the values in main. I can use all of those values in main by simply returning them from function. Okay, hope so you'll get my point, and thank you so much for watching.